Hey ladies, hey mamas, we back for another hair transformation video. Yes, I'm back at it again. I'm going to reattempt to dye my hair because these ponytails that I've been wearing, I'm over it. My hair is just all over the place. I want to go ahead and just do something different. Now for this color video, I'm using a different product today. You guys may have heard of this or seen this before, so let me know how it worked out for you if you tried it. But this is the Belfort bleach. I bought this on Amazon. I've seen good reviews about it. And then the last time that I did my hair, I used this. It doesn't seem to lift up my hair the way I want to. It's the springtime, and I want to go in with my signature color again, which is this spicy red. Yes, I love this color. It's so pretty and just not too much, but it's just enough, you know, sexy. And I love being a redhead, but like we all do before we color our hair, we're gonna say a little prayer and hope for the best. To start, as always, I have my brush here. I've been holding on to this thing for years. You know, it's still hanging in there. I got my bowl here to mix my color. Some developer, going in with the 30. My hair, because it's dark, it has some color in it already from the last time that I colored it. But I have to use either 30 or 40 developer. Anything less than that does not lift it up the way I want to. And then of course, I need some gloves because I still work a 9 to 5 and I can't be going to work with my hands looking all crazy and colored. That's not cute. So we're gonna go ahead and put our gloves on, and that way, you know, my hands won't be all burning. Keep it cute, y'all.
Mom, are you done?
No. Lordy Jesus, but I am so excited. I have not did my hair in a long time, like months. So this is like a self-care type day. You know how I said on this channel, we're going to take some time out for us, mamas, ladies, when you're not at work, when you're not doing chores around the house. You just need a little break. And then I got some wine in the refrigerator, you know, chilling. On the back of the container, it says do it like a 1-to-2 ratio. 1 scoop of powder to about 60 grams of developer. They about to make me pull out my scale because I don't know how much is 60 grams of developer. Now don't laugh, but this is my scale that I use for my keto. And it says 30 grams. 30 grams. Okay, so I did the 60 grams at first, but that wasn't enough. So I just added another 60 grams to this, so total this is about 120 grams. And then I'm gonna add the first scoop. Okay, then we're gonna add the second scoop. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this around me because I don't wanna mess up my black shirt. And this stuff really thickened up a lot. It looked like a big old marshmallow puff now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, y'all. Wish me the best. looking like so far? I know I'm looking a little crazy, but I'm kind of mad because I ran out of developer. I was trying to use what I had in the house. I thought I had enough. I had like right here, but my hair is so thick, I just underjudged it. So this part isn't really getting as light as this part, but it's okay because this right here comes with another developer right here in the color. So I figure, you know, once I cover it, it's gonna be okay anyway. So just stick with the process. We're not done yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out. And I have some color treated shampoo and conditioner. So this is sulfate free and it's for color treated hair. Washed and conditioned, and that shampoo and conditioner felt so good. The color activator, this is the actual color, and then this is conditioner. And I've been holding on to this for so long. I've been wanting to do this video forever, but just have not had the time. But I said today, I'm gonna make some time. This reminds me of that weight, you know, how you hold it like this and it's supposed to work out your arms. Just mix some color together. You're gonna get your workout just the same. You can definitely see the color now. And you can see how that turned out. It's really blonde in some places. I could leave it like this because honestly, it's cute like this. And yes, that bleach definitely worked way better. But you see how this side, I ran out of developer. So I really had to go back in again. And hopefully, you know, it lifted up way better this time. So I'm gonna make sure I start on this side first, because this is the side that didn't get a lot of love the last time. I'm gonna just set my timer for about 15 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it out. And boom, she's back. So that 15 minutes is up and I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out of my hair, and then I'm gonna use this conditioner right here that came with the red dye. And then we're gonna be right back. Go ahead and take a quick little second while I'm washing this out my head because I'm getting hungry. And go ahead and check out my family's soul food cooking page. Yes, okay, let's go ahead and take a break together, grab something to eat, and then make sure you come right back because we're gonna go ahead and style this hairstyle now. But once you blow dry it, the color is really going to come out, but you can see it already. And then you see how it's like different tones. That's exactly what I was wanting to go for. I didn't want it all the same color. I wanted like that deep streaky look to it. And then this is the side that didn't get as much color the first time. And then this is the back of it. And just imagine, you know, when you wear your updos or your ponytails. Whoop, it's so cute. Whoop. Before I blow dry it, I'm going to use my thermal shield that just protects it against the heat from me putting the blow dryer on it. Okay. Definitely, it is a different color, which is a good start in the right direction. I need a full developer bottle the next time because it didn't get the color that I wanted all the way around, but you can definitely see it. You know, when I wear like a up-down type style, you'll be able to, you know, really see the color. I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron this. Make sure you guys stay tuned for part 2. to see how this style comes together, because don't judge it by the blowout, judge it by the straightened out. Once again, mamas, it's time to get cute. Take a day to relax for yourself, and I'll see you guys on part 2, straightening this hairstyle. See y'all later.